National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December every year. It is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of legendary Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and his contributions in the field of mathematics. He had never been formally trained in the subject, yet he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. Our former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, paid tribute to Srinivasa Ramanujan at a function organized on the occasion of the 125th birth anniversary of great mathematician Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan in Chennai in 2012 and declared 22nd December as National Mathematics Day. Thus, on 22nd December 2012, National Mathematics Day was celebrated across the country for the first time. Let's see about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan, born on December 22nd, 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family, Erode, Madras Presidency, presently called as Tamil Nadu, India. His father, Kuppusamy Srinivasa Iyengar, originally from Thanjavur district, worked as a clerk in a sari shop. His mother, Komalatammal, was a housewife and sang at a local temple. In 1909, Ramanujan was married to S. Janaki Ammal, who was 10 years old when they married. He showed his talent in mathematics when he was a school student. In a class, the teacher was explaining with examples that if any number is divided by the same number, the quotient will be 1. If 3 bananas are equally divided among 3 persons, each will get 1 banana. Ramanujan is said to have surprised everyone by asking, "Sir, if no banana is distributed to no student, will each student still get a banana?" Ramanujan has been quoted to have said, "0 divided by 0 may be anything." So this shows about his talent when he was a school student. About his education and early life. He started his schooling in 1892, just before the age of 10. In 1897, he passes his primary examination in English, Tamil, Geography and Arithmetic with the best scores in the district. He graduated from Town Higher Secondary School in 1904. He mastered a book on advanced trigonometry written by S. L. Loney by the age of 13. In 1916, Ramanujan earned a PhD for his work on highly composite numbers. In 1918, the 31-year-old became the second Indian Fellow of the Royal Society and the youngest in history. Due to illness, Ramanujan passed away on April 26, 1920. Ramanujan left behind 3 notebooks and a sheaf of pages, also called the Lost Notebook, containing many unpublished results that mathematicians continued to verify long after his death. Ramanujan made substantial contributions to the analytical theory of numbers and worked on elliptic functions, continued fractions, and infinite. In 1900, he began to work on his own on mathematics, summing geometric and arithmetic series. Ramanujan's number. Ramanujan's number 1729 is a famous Ramanujan number. It is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. The number 1729 is known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. Magic square. This square looks like any other normal magic square, but this is formed by great mathematician of our country, Srinivasa Ramanujan. What is so great in it? Sum of the numbers of any row, columns, any diagonal, corner identical colored numbers, central squares or similar colored numbers is 139, that is 139. Do you know the date of birth of Srinivasa Ramanujan? We just seen it. It is 22nd December 1887. That is what highlighted in this magic square. Recognition. The Government of India decided in 2012 to celebrate National Mathematics Day on 22nd December on the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Since then, it was celebrated on 22nd December every year. Tamil Nadu celebrates 22nd December as State IT Day. This is a stamp released by the government in the year 1962. This stamp, that is Ramanujan stamp of India, was released in 2011. And this stamp in 2012, the Indian stamp dedicated to National Mathematics Day and featuring Ramanujan. 22nd December celebrated as Ramanujan Day in Government Arts College, Kumbakonam. Shastra University, a private university based in Tamil Nadu, has instituted the Shastra Ramanujan Prize to be given annually to a mathematician not exceeding age 32 for outstanding contributions in any area of mathematics influenced by Ramanujan. In his short life of little over 32 years, he reached unimaginable heights. He used to say always, an equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. The main objective behind the celebration of Mathematics Day is to raise awareness among people or students about the importance of mathematics and to motivate, enthuse, and inculcate a positive attitude towards learning mathematics for the coming younger generations. Happy Mathematics Day. Thank you.